Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I told you it was going to be the front porch fall decoration. And I finally end up finding some pumpkins. I was waiting for them to come out. Normally they come out a little bit earlier, and I didn't want to go pumpkin picking. The reason why, every year we go pumpkin picking. I love to go pumpkin picking. However, the prices of the pumpkins are a little bit ridiculous in my opinion. Everything is by weight and it's normal. They're trying to make their profit. But for me, the amount of pumpkins I would have needed, it probably would have costed me a little too much. And we know that I keep things on a budget. So I end up going to a farmer's market that's not too far from my house, and we end up finding so many pumpkins and the perfect pumpkins as well. Obviously, I told you I kept it a little bit more in the burnt orange, the ivory, the greens. Last year I did it more in the greens, burgundy, but I wanted to keep it a little bit more traditional this year and having fun changing it up, doing something different. You know, last year was green, this year's orange. Who knows what next year is going to be. So anyway, I hope you love the porch as much as I do. But before we get into this video, I wanted to say a big thank you to Red Road W13 floor cleaner for sponsoring this video. If you don't know about this vacuum, it is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner that is now available on Amazon. I have to share it with you because it is a good one. A 2-in-1 vacuum is like the best thing. So I wanted to share this vacuum with you. It integrates suction and mopping together. It allows you to vacuum and wash your floors at the same time. So, I mean, does it get any better than that? It's lightweight. It has 3 intelligent cleaning modes, which sucks up all of that dirt and mops at the same time. It is perfect for hardwood floors, kitchen floors, tiles, and stone. And you can clean wet and dry messes all at the same time. So, I mean, that is a double whammer. So if you drop, let's say, a bowl of cereal and there's milk and then cereals, you can actually suck it up and mop it all at the same time. And there you go. Voila. Easy. Another great feature about this vacuum is that you can simply place the vacuum in its station and then press the button for automatic self-cleaning. Not only does it do 2 things at once, it also cleans itself afterwards. So once you put on the station, the hot air roller brush self-dries. So it ensures that there's no moisture and no odors coming from there, preventing it from any bacterial growth and leaving it with clean brushes. Another thing is that the battery will last up to 45 minutes of continuous use. Right now, I have a central vacuum cleaner and it is so hard to just bring the whole thing up, bring the whole thing down. I gotta take the mop and it's more complicated. So this vacuum is like, I take it out of the closet and there you go. I have my mop, I have my vacuum cleaner. It is 2-in-1, easy, especially when I'm in a rush. I don't have time. I want to vacuum, pick up stuff, and there you go. It also has a water tank to clean the vacuum automatically after each use, so no more messes. So if you're interested, I will leave a link down below so you can go check it out, try it for yourself. So without further ado, we are going to jump right into this video. Enjoy. This is what it's looking like right now. There was a plant that was in there. There's that wreath that is from last year. And so I'm gonna get rid of this, get rid of the old carpet. Everything is dirty right now. So I'm going to pass the hose, pass the broom, and tidy it up a little bit before I start with the whole decorations. So let's go ahead and start picking all of that up, taking everything out so that I can start cleaning. So right next to our house, porch is right there. Right here, there's the window of the basement. There's these amazing like dried out branches. So what I thought of doing is cutting them out. We have them pretty much everywhere. So I'm gonna use them in the decorations and clean up this area too, because this is looking a little bit disheveled right now. So anyway. Okay, so I pulled out everything that I'm going to be probably using, and it's pretty much scattered everywhere. So far, I put the wreath up, and you guys saw that in my last video. Now, I end up finding these two baskets, which I believe are going to go on the side, on each side of the door. I got them at the thrift store, and I paid $4.99 for them. Then I found this little stool here, also at the dollar store, paid $4. And then I got these at a plant store, and I wanted to use them as elevation, maybe for pumpkins, but I'm probably gonna stain them because I'm not feeling the whole light vibe here. I want it to be a little bit more darker than it goes with these baskets. So I think I'm gonna stain the stool and stain those. But anyway, I'm gonna try to figure out where I'm going to start first. I got these dried leaves in my backyard. I got those that I showed you I cut. I bought these, you guys also saw, at a home hardware store, and then these baskets I had, and I got these beautiful flowers at the dollar store. These are probably gonna go in these planters right here. I want to add a little bit of height in the middle of those plants. So anyway, let's get started and try to figure out where I'm gonna start first. Oh, and I got this carpet at Home Goods, and it's a bit bigger than my last one. I don't know, I love the color. It's made to be outside, so I don't know, I'm liking it. I think it goes with everything else. Right now, I'm going to put a whole bunch of plants inside these plants here to give some height up against the wall here. So I'm going to start off with these sort of pampas grass and then move my way into other flowers. I pretty much put all the plants in there. Now I added this little thing that I showed you. So I'm putting it up against this right here, and I'm thinking of putting maybe a pumpkin on there. I'm gonna play around with it. You guys know I love to do things on the whim, so let's get creative. I think I bought too many pumpkins. I did the centerpiece. Then I put these baskets that I had, and I put them, one of them in the back there to create some height. And then I put the little thing there. I'm playing around with the pumpkins right now. So on that side, there's not this basket. So I'm not sure which one looks better. So is it better that it's lower or maybe higher? I don't know. I'm gonna play around until I really like it. That's how my brain works. So let's continue playing with the pumpkins, but I think I did get a little too many. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. I'm going to add some of these leaves, I think in between the pumpkins, or maybe on the top there, I'm not sure, but I think in between to create a little bit more dimension there. But yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. I'm feeling that the pumpkins are a little bit too orange to go with the wreath. So what I'm going to do is take some stain and pass it a little bit on top. Since they're under a roof, they won't get wet. They never do. So I think that since it's in the back there, they should be fine. I'm going to add a little bit of some stain and it should darken the orange a little bit. So I stained this one and then this one, and it makes the pumpkin look a little bit like it has earth on it, and I feel it mutes it a little bit, and it kind of goes a little bit more with the wreath that I have on the door. So I'm super happy. It's a little trick that I like to do, is stain things, or you can use paint or, you know, whatever it is that you have. But I feel it gives a more luxe feel. I don't know. If I could, I would mute those flowers too a little bit. So that is it. That is the front porch. Let me know down below what you think. So now moving on to the outfits, I end up getting, okay, where do I start? Hat is from Brixton. The dress, it's sort of like a dress. I don't know if you see it. It's like this cute little dress. I end up getting it at Zara. I think it was a few years ago. Then my tie is from Ardennes. I don't know if they have Ardennes in the States. Then my mom got me this beautiful brooch, and then this leather vest is from Forever 21. Yep, I'm Forever 21 in my mind. Oh yeah, and jewelry is from, a lot of it's from Ana Luisa. So all my rings are Ana Luisa, and that is pretty much it. For my next video, I am going to be doing how I organize my jewelry. I know some of you really want to see how I organize my jewelry, so that's what the next video is going to be all about. It actually pushed me a little bit more to look into the jewelry that I have. Sometimes you don't realize what jewelry you do have, what jewelry you don't have, and they're hidden behind things, so it forced me to organize my jewelry. So I cannot wait to show you how I organize my jewelry. So that's for our next video. I have a bunch of videos in line. My creative juices are flowing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up, your continuous supports, your comments. It helps my channel. It really does. You have no idea how much it does help and how it helps with the algorithm. It's so important for me. I want to reach out to as many people as I can, because we are a family, we are a community, and I am so proud of what we have built together. So anyway, I love you so much. I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.